Kid, let Uncle take care of you from now on.
Smells good, doesn't it?
I'm rinsing the greens.
Great job. Dinner's almost ready.
Here, try this one.
Thank you. Delicious. Those numbers look right. Keep going. You're doing great.
Okay.
Every page, every note. She wrote
Gotta
her
stay
own
strong.
future.
One
When the
punch at a
lessons
time, no
ended,
quitting.
the work
I'm ready.
continued. At home, on her feet, fists moving faster each day.
I'm so proud of you, kiddo.
Couldn't have done it without you, Dad.
Dispatch, this is Officer Quinn. I'm 10-8 en route. Hands where I can see them, now. Let's move. You're under arrest.